Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can do 0.5 zoom on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Android mobile phone, and first of all, I'm going to open up my camera. This is my camera application and I'm going to tap on it. And if we want to use the 0.5 zoom, we just need to tap on this one, 0.5. You can tap on it and this is the result. And you can also use this zoom for your video. Just go to your video like this and you can tap on the 0.5 to use the 0.5 zoom on your Android. Okay, and this is the result, and that's so easy, right? Okay guys, and that's how we can do 0.5 zoom on Android mobile phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.